we bring to you an innovative customizable lighting solution. Introducing LED magnetic track lights. A seamless and cost-efficient plug-and-play lighting system, which is easy to install and low on maintenance. Every one of our light is specifically designed, keeping in mind that homes come in all shapes and sizes, with each one having their own lighting needs. And with an ever-growing catalog of lights, you'll never run out of options. Take your lighting designs to the next level with our fully customizable magnetic lighting system. The magnetic tracks, which come in various size options, can be installed onto your ceiling in multiple ways. You can either install them above your false ceiling, for a flush look, directly onto the surface of your ceiling, or have it suspended. The magnetic tracks come with multiple accessories to help you with the installation as per your will. The magnetic power connector ensures the flow of electricity from one track to another. And our magnetic track connectors, which come in multiple forms, help in changing the direction and angle of the track with ease. We welcome you to step into the next evolution of interior lighting.